What's up, class? It's me, your teacher, Mr. Harris. In this video, we're going to learn about observations, qualitative observations and quantitative. So what you should do right now on your paper is write this down: observations, qualitative and quantitative. Pause the video if you need to do that. All right. Alright, in science, observations are incredibly important. Without them, science couldn't happen. Scientific observation consists of receiving knowledge of the outside world through our senses or recording information using scientific tools and instruments. This paragraph here, scientific observation consists of blah blah blah, write that down. That is the definition of scientific observation. Alright, there's two kinds of observations. The first kind is qualitative. Write this down. Qualitative observations use the five senses: sight, hearing, taste, smell, and touch. Let me give you an example. Alright, I've got this Coke bottle on my desk. Coke, so I look at it, it's black. Touch it, it's sticky. Smell it and taste it, and it tastes sweet. If I place it close to my face, I can feel the bubbles popping on the surface. So those are qualitative observations of this bottle of Coke. Quantitative observations are made with instruments such as rulers, balances, scales, graduated cylinders, and thermometers. So this bottle of Coke I have on my desk contains 354.882 milliliters. That's how much Coke is in there. The temperature of the Coke is 21 degrees Celsius. And the weight of the Coke is 240.7962 grams. Notice how quantitative observations are all numbers. It's kind of like the word quantity. Numbers. Alright, so you should write down this definition of quantitative observations. Moving on. Pictured here is a Bactrian camel. What observations can you make about the Bactrian camel? Or what I should rather say, what qualitative observations can you make about the Bactrian camel? Write down as many as you can. You should do at least 3 though. But if you did 5, that would be awesome. Alright. Pictured here is a dromedary camel. What qualitative observations about the dromedary camel could you make? So quantitative observations. No, I'm sorry, qualitative. What qualitative observations can you make about the dromedary camel? Alright. Qualitative. Moving on. If we had camels in this class, what kinds of quantitative observations about the camel could you make? Make that a little darker. Whatever, never mind. What kinds of quantitative observations could you make? Alright, we're going to do, so make sure you have all these notes. Write down some quantitative observations, and here's the end. This was a totally fantastic video.